Welcome to a pumpkin spice latte video, and here we go. That's the beautiful thing that we're going to be making. So this is a pumpkin spice latte, slight twist. So the twist is we've got a cold cream on top, and that cold cream has got cinnamon powder in it. So pumpkin spice latte, nice luxurious cream on top, mixed in with the cream. We've got the cinnamon that gives it that beautiful flavour and a little bit of a punch. If you want to make one of these, watch my video, I'll show you how. So your kit list for today, we're going to need the whipper to make the cold foam. We're going to need cinnamon, pumpkin spice syrup, milk. I'm using whole milk today. I'm going to need some cream for the topping. We're going to need a jug for steaming, kitchen scales, group handle and a coffee machine. So let me just tell you a little bit about this coffee machine. So this is the Breville Barista Max. It's a great starting coffee machine if you've never made coffee before and you want something really easy to use that creates a great espresso, steams milk really well. It's got a good grinder on it that grinds your beans, and it's got a guide on there as well to show you exactly what setting you're going to need. So normally start off in the middle here, and then you can either turn it faster or slower. So faster to the left or slower to the right depending on the type of bean, because they all grind differently. So this one that I've got in here, this little bean, let me take the lid off. The bean that I've got in here today, there we go, you can see, is a Mocha Italia. So Mocha Italia is pretty much the same that they use in Costa Coffee. It's a mixture of Arabica and Robusta bean, and it's just perfect for that really rich, smooth taste. So if you're not looking for something like a pure Arabica that they use in Starbucks and looking for something more like Costa Coffee, then Mocha Italia is the one for you. We're going to start off this by creating that perfect espresso. If you want any more details about creating a double espresso, then please take a look at the video that I've created for this. But I'm just going to run through it with you anyway right now. So you take your group handle, pop it on your scales, and then just zero the scales down so that when you grind, you know you can weigh your grind. So we're looking for 14 grams of ground coffee, and that's going to create that beautiful espresso. So here we go. Give that away, and bang on 14. Okay, so 3 stages. Level, this one's fairly level. Tamp, so you give it a good hard tamp. Try and be consistent with your tamp so that you know once you've set up your grinder. It's not very smooth. There we go, that's better. And wipe. Pop onto your machine, find an espresso cup. I just picked these up from Starbucks. Great little espresso cups just to have, especially if you're making a short coffee like macchiato or con panna. And we'll let that coffee drip through there now. So we're going to make a cinnamon flavoured cold cream on top. So I've just picked up this which is the Oatly, so it's a non-dairy cream. I find it's really easy to work with, so we'll pop it into the whipper and have a go. About that much. There's a guide on the inside of this whipper just to let me know how much to put in and what the maximum levels are. There we go. Blend your cinnamon. Mix in. Let's give it a swirl before we start. Right, just to show you guys. There we go. So that's the whipper whipping up our topping for our pumpkin spice latte. Okay, so I've started heating the milk, and as you might be able to see, I'm just bringing the steam arm just outside the top of the milk, so it's just topping, just inside the top, and you can hear that chirping. If you can hear that chirping, you know that the milk is coming to temperature. And it's just creating that foam on top. So we're steaming to around about 140, maybe a little bit more because we've got the cold foam going on top. There we go. I'll show you the milk, sorry. There you go, so you can see that milk on top. You can actually see the foam as well. You can see the foam on the steam arm. One really important thing to do, never forget to do, is clean your steam arm. Then we give it a good wipe, and then we purge so that we're not getting any milk stuck up inside it. We don't need that, and then give it a quick wipe. There we go, beautiful. So we're ready now to get our pumpkin spiced latte built. Milk's ready. So 3 pumps of milk. Got to leave enough room for everything. So we've got shot, so if that was just a latte, then that foam on top there is about the right amount. If we filled that up, the foam would increase, and if we had about 5 ml of foam and the rest coffee, that would be perfect. Okay, so now we're going to put our cold foam on top, and that's got the cinnamon in it. Perfect. And we'll sprinkle. That's a bit more than a sprinkle. So a little bit of a close-up for you. 1 pumpkin spice latte. So that's a hot latte with pumpkin spice syrup in it, and then we've got a cold cream on top, and that's got cinnamon inside the cold cream and cinnamon on top. So no video of mine is complete without the taste test, and here we go. We're going straight in. Oh, I like. Yeah, I like. I like that very much. I'm going to take some more. Yeah, so I think particularly I like pumpkin spice flavoured, and I like the cinnamon on top. I'm a big fan of chai, so this is right down my street for a start. But the thing is with this is that you've got the nice heat from the latte milk. You've got that nice flavour of coffee, and then you've got the cold foam on top. So it's like having I'm trying to think now, okay, so a caramel latte with cream on top, but instead of just having normal cream, we've got cream with cinnamon inside it, And that gives it that punch, that gives it that strength of flavour, that gives it that depth. It's just different, something different, but it works really, really well. So if you want to make this yourself, you can make it yourself, no problem at all. If you just follow the step-by-step that I've just done. Cost-wise, you're probably looking around about £1 again. Massive saving if you make it yourself at home, massive. And of course you've always got the added bonus of being able to make a coffee of this standard, of this quality, yourself in your own home. Sit down, chill out, feet up, TV on, and enjoy, especially on a nice cold autumn day. So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the likes, I appreciate the watches, and I certainly appreciate the subscriptions. So go ahead and make yourself one of these. Put a note in the comment, let me know how you got on. Let me know what went well, what didn't go well, and any questions, just ask me. But thank you again. Thank you so much for watching.